The Yamaha REFACE CP portable electric piano delivers convincing classic stage keyboard tones from tine and reed styles to clavi and electric grand in a compact instrument that feels thoughtfully designed for real players. Its dedicated effects section, modeled after vintage stomp boxes, makes it easy to shape warm tremolo, chorus, drive, and other textures directly from the front panel without diving into menus. The keyboard uses a high-quality mini keybed that, despite its smaller size, responds smoothly to dynamics and encourages expressive playing on fast lines and chords. Generous polyphony keeps dense chords and sustained passages clean and free of note dropouts, which is impressive for such a small portable unit. A built-in speaker system means you can sit down and play anywhere without extra gear, yet the instrument also integrates neatly into studio or stage setups through its standard connections. Overall, it is a highly portable, retro-styled electric piano that captures the character of vintage keyboards while remaining reliable and straightforward for modern use.